Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random wood furniture and wood decor piece ideas you never knew you needed to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Have you ever considered how the presence of random wood furniture and decor pieces can breathe new life into your living spaces? The art of revamping your home with wood elements is not just about aesthetics. It encapsulates a variety of benefits that significantly enhance the ambience, functionality, and emotional resonance of your environment. Introducing wood furniture and decor can transform a mundane space into a captivating haven, fostering a sense of comfort and connection that is often lacking in modern interiors. One of the most compelling reasons to incorporate wood into your living spaces is its natural warmth and timeless appeal. Wood has an innate ability to create a sense of coziness and comfort that few other materials can match. The varied textures, grains, and colors of wood bring depth and character into a room, making it feel more inviting. Whether it's a rustic coffee table, elegantly handcrafted shelves, or a charming set of wooden accents, each piece introduces an element of nature that softens the overall atmosphere. This warmth invites people to linger, leading to shared moments and memories that foster connection among family and friends. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Revamping your space with random wood furniture allows for an incredible variety of styles and designs, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. From reclaimed barn wood to sleek modern aesthetics, the versatility of wood provides countless options to suit your existing decor. You can mix and match various wood types and finishes to create a rich tapestry of colors and textures, ensuring your space reflects your unique personality while remaining cohesive. This adaptability means that even small wooden accents can significantly impact the overall design, breaking up monotony and adding layers of visual intrigue. In addition to their aesthetic benefits, wood pieces often possess a sense of individuality that mass-produced items lack. Each wooden item carries its own character, with variations in grain patterns and colors that make it uniquely yours. As you integrate different wood furnishings, be it a coffee table with a live edge or intricately carved shelving, you're not just decorating, you're curating a collection of stories and memories. This sense of individuality fosters a deeper emotional connection with your space, transforming it into a reflection of your identity and experiences. Functional benefits also play a critical role in the appeal of wood furniture and decor. Many wooden pieces offer practical uses while enhancing your living space's aesthetic. A well-crafted wooden bench can double as seating and a decorative element, while a solid wood dining table can serve as a centerpiece for family gatherings. The durability of wood ensures these pieces are not just beautiful, but also functional, designed to withstand everyday use. This dual-purpose ethos can help streamline your space, eliminating clutter and maximizing utility without sacrificing style. Beyond practicality, wooden furniture and decor can introduce a sense of tranquility and grounding. Natural materials, particularly wood, have been shown to evoke psychological benefits, connecting us to nature in ways that synthetic materials cannot replicate. The tactile sensation of wood, its scent, and the calming presence it brings can create a soothing atmosphere. In a world filled with stress and noise, incorporating wood into your living space can enhance relaxation and well-being, making home a sanctuary to retreat to after a long day. Revamping with wood also promotes sustainability, especially if you choose to source your materials from responsible suppliers or opt for reclaimed wood. This conscious choice not only reduces environmental impact, but also adds a layer of history and character to your decor. Reclaimed wood often features unique markings and weathered textures, giving your space a story that enhances its richness. Choosing sustainable materials aligns with the growing awareness of the ecological footprint of our consumer habits, fostering a sense of responsibility and mindfulness in our choices. Furthermore, the process of revamping your space with wood can be deeply fulfilling. Engaging in DIY projects or collaborating with artisans to commission bespoke pieces allows for a hands-on approach to home design. This creative engagement fosters a sense of pride and accomplishment as you actively participate in building an environment that resonates with you. The journey of finding, crafting, or even upcycling wooden items can be an enjoyable process that leads to personal growth, enhancing skills and nurturing creativity along the way. In addition, mixing randomly selected wood pieces can ignite a sense of playfulness in your decor. Combining different wood tones, styles, and finishes stimulates creativity, leading to unexpected and beautiful results. This eclectic approach breaks away from rigid design rules and fosters a more personalized aesthetic, encouraging you to embrace your individuality. When done thoughtfully, blending various wooden pieces creates a dynamic, layered look that captures attention and initiates conversations, making your space more vibrant and engaging. Moving beyond aesthetics and functionality, wood has qualities that promote better indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials, which can emit volatile organic compounds, VCs, wood is a natural material that usually contributes to a healthier home environment. By opting for wooden furniture and decor, you are not only adding beauty to your space, but also ensuring a cleaner, safer atmosphere for you and your loved ones. This health-conscious decision fosters overall well-being, creating a calming sanctuary that prioritizes your health. Additionally, introducing random wood decor pieces can help with the flow and energy of a space. Wood has the ability to absorb sound, which means that wooden furniture can enhance acoustic comfort in your home. This quality encourages a quieter, more serene environment, making your living spaces more conducive to relaxation and conversation. The result is a harmonious atmosphere where people can connect meaningfully without the distractions of excessive noise, allowing for a more enjoyable living experience. The emotional and psychological benefits of revamping your living spaces with wood cannot be overstated. Many people feel a sense of nostalgia and comfort associated with wood, as it evokes memories of childhood homes, family gatherings, and nature. Wooden items can serve as anchors of personal history, reminding us of the people and moments that have shaped our lives. By incorporating wood into your decor, you weave these personal narratives into your home, creating an environment that feels familiar, warm, and above all, welcoming. When it comes to connecting with nature, the use of wood in home decor becomes an essential element. Wood brings the outside in, blurring the lines between the natural world and our interior environments. This connection can enhance mood and emotional health, reminding us of our surroundings and fostering a sense of peace. With many urban dwellers living in concrete jungles, revamping your living space with wood can serve as a gentle reminder of the beauty of nature and encourage a balanced lifestyle that appreciates both urban and natural elements. The act of rearranging your furniture or decor pieces brings a sense of renewal and excitement. When you introduce random wooden elements into your space, you effectively shake things up, challenging your existing perceptions and creating a fresh look. This dynamic change can invigorate your home, making it feel new and exciting. As you experiment with different placements and combinations, you discover what resonates best with you, prompting reflection on how your environment aligns with your evolving personal style. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked random wood furniture and wood decor piece ideas you never knew you needed to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.